What's up everyone? In this video I'm going to show you all some beautiful trades we had today, kind of give you my thought process during the pre-market when we was creating these levels, which we do live on my Instagram every morning. We start at 8 a.m. Eastern time, start trading futures live, and then we transition over to the options trading watch list for when market opens. So feel free to come join us there. But before we get started, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Click that thumbs up button and click that bell icon so you do not miss out on any of my upcoming videos. Before we get started, I want to say one more thing. I've had a bunch of people reach out to me in the last week or so and said, Grizzly, what do you trade options on and what do you trade futures on? Because they, I guess they've seen me trade live on a different platform or whatever. I trade options on Thinkorswim with my own money. I funded the account myself. I trade futures on Apex. Go to my link or leave a link in the description. It's 100% funded accounts. Check them out. They have the videos that walk you through everything there. Now, let's get right into this. First off, I guess I need to start pre-market. This was our game plan. We saw weakness in the market. We have some seasoned traders join that live every morning. I really pay attention to what they say in the chat. We kind of talk it out. But anyways, so my idea was, I said I want to see us break this previous low during the pre-market of 381. Then I want to see us come back up, retest that area, and that's where I want to enter short. And that's exactly what it did. I took a small trade here. Nice payday off that. Now let's transition over to SPY. Keep in mind I watch both of these. A lot of times I'll trade levels based off one or the other. Sometimes I'll be watching ES and see a nice level and I'll trade SPY, or sometimes I'll trade SPY because of a level off ES, if that makes sense. Anyways, let's get right into this on SPY. So I was looking for a simple downtrend entry on SPY. We showed weakness, was below this prior day close indicator. One of my favorite indicators, honestly. Simply shows me what we closed at the day before. So I said, okay, let's look for a downtrend entry. So what we're looking for is an entry off of a lower high when you're on the downtrend. We took our entry right here at this 394 area. I said, hey, I'm adding to my puts position because I did add some on this candle here, but I added even more here. We had a beautiful move down. I was well out of this trade before we got way down here, but beautiful trade nonetheless. And that's all I have for you today. I just kind of like to walk you through my thought process. Hopefully this helped you all out. If you have any questions, if you want to join Team Bull, we would love to have you. I'll leave a link for that as well. Appreciate you all for watching, and I'll see you next time.